So you wanted to know how you can get that chiseled, strong, sharp jawline like these guys. And you came across this thing called mewing. Mewing is a tongue posture technique in which the tongue is placed on the roof of the mouth to improve facial aesthetics. But I don't want to waste your time, so let's see how to mew. First, you need to sit or stand with good posture. Place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. Then, push your whole tongue, including to the middle and the back, against the hard and soft palate with your lips closed and your molars slightly touching the back. Make sure your jaw is relaxed. Now you're mewing correctly. If you don't know if you have the correct tongue posture, try this. Close your mouth and swallow the spit that's in your mouth. However your tongue ends up, that is the correct mewing posture. Breathe through your nose. It helps to engage the muscles in your face and get better facial aesthetics, while mouth breathing helps you look like this. Consistency is key. Maintain proper tongue posture throughout the day, even during sleep. I recommend taping your mouth during your sleep if you're a mouth breather. Be patient. Mewing takes time. The single best mindset that's going to help you to go forward is that this is the way to breathe and live for the rest of your life. So maybe it isn't perfect now, but it will be. However, you can do other things besides mewing to get a chiseled jawline. Keep low body fat and do jaw exercises that helps build your facial structures. If you liked this video and interested in how to be the best version of yourself, please hit the like button and click subscribe. It's a win-win for both of us. Cheers!